today I'm fixing this two piece locs. I want to tell you about something. You see, this hair is very light and it's very long. It's very, when I say very long, very long, but when you are fixing it, it's better for you not to cut it, because if you cut it, the thing will just shrink. I don't know how to say it. If it's shrink, it will just jump, it will shrink. So it's better for you to fix it like this after fixing it before you cut it, because if you cut it before you fix it, it will be very short. I don't know, look at it, I cut it into two and see how the thing turned to became very short, that if I fix it will be too short. You see it will be too short, but once you fix it like this and cut it, you get the normal length. But if you cut it before fixing it, it will shrink. It will just shrink like this, I don't know, and it will be too short to fix. But after fixing it, you can now cut it to the length you want it to be. Oi, tudo bem? Olha esse cabelo, two piece locs. Quanto você vai colocar é bom para você não corta. Se você corta, eu parei caso a música que estava passando. Se você corta, vai ficar muito curto. Então é melhor para você colocar antes você corta. Se você corta antes você colocar, vai ficar muito pequeno, não vai ficar legal. Olha, eu cortei em dois, olha, tá bem curtinho. Se você colocar assim, vai ficar bem curto. Então é melhor para você colocar antes você corta. Não sei se você entende o que estou falando. Será eu vou mostrar o comprimento desse cabelo. I will show you guys how long this hair is for you to understand what I'm trying to say. See? You guys see how long the hair is? Very long, very long, very long. But after cutting it, it will just shrink. I don't know. I cut it into two, and it became so small that if I fix it, it will not move up to our waist. You see how long it is. So it's better for you to fix it like this, then later you now cut it to your desired length. So you see what I'm saying? So you see how long it is? Very long. You see it's very long. But after cutting it into two, you cut it into two, it will be like this. I don't know why it will be like this. And once you fix it like this, it will be too short. You see it, just too short. Because I was thinking it would be too long, and I cut it into two. And I cut it into two. Estava pensando, estava muito comprido, porque ela não quer muito comprido assim. Eu cortei em dois. Olha, está muito pequeno agora. You see it? So it's better for you to, after fixing it, you now cut it to your own desired length. Because if you make the mistake I made by cutting it, you will just waste the hair. But I will not waste this one anyway. I will try and put it inside and see. Or I will not waste this. So é melhor para você colocar jeito que está, e depois você corta. Se você não quer muito comprido, você corta. Eu vou cortar esse porque lá não quer muito comprido. Esse vídeo. Please like this video.